make a pen or pencil holder out of straw, pot, a rubber band, and scissors. First, you need a bunch of straw. Also, one more thing. I'm gonna teach you how to make a nail out of straw. Me and my sisters are going to do this, both of us. Okay, let's start. First, we need a pot. We need a scissors and a bunch of straws. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Well, just kidding. I'm already cutting. So I'm gonna put those straws in. There we go, and wait, cause there's holes in this pot, so I'm gonna put it, okay. Oh, I hate this. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's start again. And then we're gonna put rubber band. Full of rubber bands, oh my goodness. The final thing, we gotta put a bunch of little straws. Okay, now I'm gonna try if it's work, because this is my first video. Well, okay. This is for my sisters, not for me. I'm just following her to make a video. Both of us are always love to watch a video and make videos. Done with this. Okay, now I'm gonna, okay, there you go. Now this is the final video, cause I'm gonna make a nail out of the straws. Okay, let's start. You need those straws like rainbow colors, and I like blue, so I cut first with blue. First, you can cut like this, okay? We're gonna make a nail out of the straws. So now I'm gonna cut, cause I love blue. Okay, you can cut like that. Okay, there you go. Or you can, and you're gonna cut like this. And just jump away. You don't want cut sharper, it's up to you. Okay, I hate this. Oopsies. Okay, I'm cut only this much. Okay, I'm gonna cut this 5, and we're gonna cut in the middle of it. Okay, let's cut the middle. Okay, now I'm gonna try on my fingers. I mean on my nail. Oh my goodness, it's so long. If you don't want long, you can cut this one. There you go. And if you don't want long, I don't want long. I want short, okay. My sisters are gonna do it, and I'm gonna hold the camera. Okay, I'm gonna put all 5. But when you're eating something, you need to take it out, because have already tried. It's always like, you know, fall. It's sand. Okay. Oh, it's so sharp.